So you are invited on an epic trail ride. And then you find out your car won't make it on one tank of gas.
What happened? I ran out of gas.
You got a problem. You don't want to miss the trip, but how do you do it without running out of gas? Well, you could tell the friend you invited that they can't go, so you can strap 5 gallons of fuel in their seat and then suck on the fumes all day. Oh, or maybe you could steal some cargo space. I mean, yeah, sure, you're gonna have to leave your cooler behind and some of your spare parts and put the fuel over the top of the hot engine where it could bounce out the back or leak onto the engine and cause a fire. You know, how about a better option? This is the AGM EXR tank. The AGM EXR tank mounts in your car and stores more than 8 gallons of fuel. That's in addition to your stock tank, giving you more than 80% increase in range without taking up any bed space or losing a seat to make room for fuel. Now you and your friends can all enjoy that 100+ mile trail ride without worrying about running out of gas. Now the tank mounts under the seats and is held in place with an easy to fit strap system. This keeps the weight low so it doesn't affect your car's handling. And you fill from the same side as the stock tank. Once full, you can actually transfer to the stock tank with the flip of a switch. And the best part is, you can transfer while you drive. No need to stop the fun just to put fuel in. When the gauge on your dash reads full, turn the switch off and go enjoy the extra mileage you just gained. But the features don't stop there. If you forget to flip the switch off once the stock tank is full, it will simply drain back to the EXR tank until you do. When the EXR tank runs empty, you'll hear a noticeable change in pitch of the pump, indicating that all the fuel's been transferred to the stock tank and you can turn the switch off. If you've ever been on a trail ride or a pre-run, you know that others can run out of gas too. And that's why the EXR tank is also equipped with an external port, so you can fuel those poor, poor souls. Just connect the transfer hose, redirect flow, and collect that sweet, sweet karma. The system is completely bolt-in and doesn't require any chassis modifications or welding to install. It doesn't penetrate the stock tank. In fact, the entire stock system stays intact so as not to affect function or emissions. And because of this, if you want to put the EXR tank in another vehicle, you can do so without leaving the first vehicle damaged or full of holes. If you're looking for a safe, easy to use solution that will extend the range of your 2 or 4 seat Can-Am X3s, go further with the AGM EXR tank.